Gusto mo ba maging organized at client-ready as a virtual assistant? Let me show you Asana in less than 60 seconds. Step 1, go to asana.com, create an account, and after that, go ahead and create a workspace. Name it based on client or project. Example, client name dash social media task or Michael Smith dash real estate client. Keep each client separate para hindi maghalo ang tasks mo. Next, to add a project, pwedeng list view or board view. Sa board, parang Trello. Sa list naman, simple checklist lang. So, name your project clearly like content calendar or admin tasks. Next, add a task. Example, schedule Instagram posts. Assign it to yourself, set the due date, break big tasks into small steps, and clients would love the clarity. Now, keep in mind that you can use sections or tags para mas organized. Halimbawa, social media, admin, research. Simple lang naman ito, pero it shows clients that you are organized, professional, and you know exactly what you're doing. Now, make sure to track progress ha. Mark tasks as complete, comment if you need clarification, tag the client if needed, attach files, weekly review para lagi kang on top of the game. And please take note na pwede niyong i-master at matutunan si Asana for free by going to academy.asana.com. Kung gusto mo ng full guide kung paano maging client-ready as a virtual assistant, we have a free 14-day training available at logimerygroup.com/GVA. That's it for this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!